effleurage, draining type of stroke, first from the knee to the hip, then from the ankle to the knee. Flat hand, firm contact, gradually increasing the pressure, and then all the way from below the heel and all the way up to the hip. Continue with friction. First on the foot, linear, focusing on top and then on a plantar area. Continue with the base of your hand. Then the ankle, linear friction, followed by linear on the top. Still working with the ankle area, circular and cross friction. And just to repeat, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 type of friction on this area. Continue with the friction using your knuckles between the ankle and the knee, followed by kneading using base of your palm away from the tibia, gradually increasing pressure. Continue with the knee, linear friction, circular, and cross friction. Continue with kneading using your thumbs from medial to lateral along the line just above the knee. Now friction applied to the thigh, so from the knee up towards the hip. Flat hand, make sure the fingers are collapsing into the loose fist to elongate the stroke. Continue with the friction, circular friction using your knuckles, covering every surface, and cross friction. Once you're done with friction, start with the kneading. And this case we'll use 3 type of kneading. Make sure to move your body to support the stroke, not to exhaust smaller muscles in your hands. And one more kneading just along the few imaginary lines to cover the all anterior surface of the thigh, and flexing the leg using your forearm to address the calf muscles. So circular friction, however, based on the pressure, it might become friction kneading as well. Continue from the different position, the kneading, comfortable, gradually increasing the pressure, and compression, flat compression, followed by compression with your forearms and pull. Just pull towards yourself softly, ending at the tibia or letting go of the leg with a snap. And shake.